Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to another exciting and amazing unboxing video for the Balanced Company Lifestyle subscription box. And here I have the Balanced Lifestyle box for men. So this is a seasonal subscription box, and already on my channel I have shared the women's lifestyle box for the season. And I was absolutely blown away by the box. So I am so grateful that the Balanced Company also sent me the men's version to share with you all. And so I always like to give a disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. But this, like I said, is a seasonal subscription box. So the Balanced Company is a women-owned company that curates amazing boxes that ship throughout the US, Canada, and they have so many different versions. They've got the lifestyle box for women and men. They've got snack boxes, home boxes, so many amazing subscriptions. And the men's lifestyle box that I'm going to be showing you today retails for $54.99, which I think is such an incredible price point for what you get. This box here has 9 full-size products, a retail value of $175. And when I show you these products, you are going to be blown away. This is such a great box, especially for someone this holiday season to give as a gift, or you can separate out the products for multiple different gifts. And I want to let you know that I do have a discount code. It's Christy10. We'll get you 10% off of your Balanced Company subscription box. And I also am going to be doing a giveaway. So on my Instagram, I am going to be giving away one of these snack boxes. So I haven't posted that yet, but I will be posting it soon. Also, a little preview that I'm going to be unboxing the snack box here on my YouTube channel soon as well. So make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss that, and that you're following me on Instagram so that you can enter that giveaway. So now that I've got all of that information out there, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So the boxes come beautifully packaged, and this box right here is loaded up with incredible full-size products. I already mentioned there are 9 products, so let's get into it. First, I'm picking up this box. Johnny Fly, a wallet, a beautiful leather wallet with a lot of different pockets, all these different card slots. Okay, this is amazing. My fiance literally is asking for a wallet for Christmas. This is so perfect. So I do have a little bit of product information here. So the Johnny Fly leather wallet is a $54 value. That's honestly probably more than I would have spent on a wallet getting one for my fiance for Christmas. So he is going to love this one. It says, complete any outfit with this clean and classic RFID certified fold leather wallet. Its sleek and modern design makes it practical and easy to carry with you everywhere. Wow, what a great first product for me to unbox here. Ooh, next I am pulling out this product because I think I know what it is and I'm so excited. It's the Phantom Chef coffee mug, and I got a very similar mug in the women's box, and it is amazing. The design of this mug is just fantastic. First of all, it's huge, which I pretty much like exclusively use huge mugs. Ooh, and this is in that great black color, and I love the shape of this handle, this wooden handle, the vertical shape. So cool, just such a fantastic mug. And so I'm really excited to see that this mug comes in both the men and the women's lifestyle box for this season. The Phantom Chef mug with wooden handle is a $25 retail value, and it's 15 ounces. Such a great size. Next up, we've got Sukin Australian Natural Signature Revitalizing Facial Scrub. Oh, that is a mouthful, but that sounds so great for the men in my life. It's for all skin types. Ooh, lavender, tangerine, mandarin. I bet this smells amazing. It's sealed up, so a little hard to tell. I mean, I could see myself using this as well. 98% natural origin, vegan, and it's basically an exfoliating scrub. You can use it once or twice a week. This sounds like something everyone should have in their skincare routine. And the Sukin Face Scrub is a $12.99 value. Next, okay, this looks fun. Beer salt, lime flavored. Add a dash to the rim. This is so cool. Yeah, it's just like some lime salt, which, yeah, would go perfect with a beer. I'm thinking like Corona. This is such a great thing for, my fiance has a man cave with a bar. This would be perfect to go on his bar. And I've never even really heard of a beer salt, but that is such a fantastic gift to get someone in your life that likes beer, because it's such a great way to elevate the beer that they're drinking that they probably don't purchase on their own. The Twang beer salt is a $5 value. Next, we've got the Now Organic Essentials Certified Organic Eucalyptus Roll-On. This is another product that I also got in the women's lifestyle box, which I love. It smells so good, and it's just such an invigorating smell, and it's just an essential oil. You can rub it on wherever you need to. Very handy. And the Now Foods Organic Eucalyptus Roll-On is an $8 value. Oh, this is another product that I also got in the women's lifestyle box that I thought was so cool, and I feel like all the men I know will love this. It's the Ayurvedic Formula Aromir Shampoo Bar. Tulsi spice for all hair types. Oh, and it smells amazing. And it really can be an all-in-one. It can be used on face, on body. It's also shampoo. So travel friendly, good for the environment. Such a cool product. So giftable as well. Ooh, next we've got, this looks like a cosmetics case. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am so jealous of this. It has the hook on it and all these different compartments for toiletry. So it's a travel toiletry bag that has a big zip up compartment as well. This is amazing. And you know, I don't even think my fiance has a cosmetics bag, and we do travel quite a bit. This would be so perfect for him to have, and then he can keep his travel size products in here, just throw it in his suitcase whenever he's going on a trip. This is so great. Such a great gift that I didn't ever even think of getting him, but now I'm like, this is absolutely perfect. And it seems like amazing quality, a great design. Let's see, the retail value on the cosmetics bag is a $55 value. Yeah, I am not surprised. This seems like a high-end travel bag. Next, we've got, from the brand Back to Earth, which is a brand that I'm not familiar with. Pain Be Gone Muscle Rub with Arnica. Natural cooling effect. Fragrance-free, natural ingredients, paraben-free, cruelty-free, vegan. Okay, this sounds amazing. I know that the men in my life are always complaining about different pains, so here they go. So perfect and so cool. A very giftable item, but very unique to gift that I feel like everyone could use. The Back to Earth Aches and Pains Cream is a $12 value. And we've still got one more product left in here. And this is a good one. Look at this. Bigfoot Bold Southern Barbecue Heat. Barbecue sauce. Oh my gosh. This is seriously also perfect. Everything in this box is so perfect for gifts for the men in my life. And I feel like we go through sauces, hot sauces, all sorts of sauces so quickly around here. So I'm so excited to try this one out personally. And I know that my fiance, or even if my dad, if I gave this to him too, would be so excited to get this and try this out. And this brand, like the packaging on it, is also just so like gifty and cool. Bigfoot is the brand. That is so awesome. So, oh my gosh, so many great products in here. I have them all next to me, but I'm going to pick them up and do a quick recap because I want to show you, once again, everything that comes in this box. So, we've got the barbecue sauce, the eucalyptus essential oil, the coffee mug, the wallet, facial scrub, beer salt, pain cream, shampoo bar, and the travel cosmetics bag. All of this for $54.99, plus you can get the 10% off with code Christy10. I'll of course have that information in the description down below, but I am seriously so impressed by this box. Such an amazing gift, such amazing products. So I highly recommend checking out The Balanced Company if you're not already familiar with them and not already subscribed, because I feel like you cannot go wrong with getting this for a gift for someone in your life or for yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.